3 things that you might want to pick up at the Dollar Tree this week. Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. 3 things. That's right. And I'm about to show them to you. So stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for choosing to be here today. This is going to be a very quick video because I want to share with you 3 things that you might want to pick up at the Dollar Tree this week if you have access to a Dollar Tree. I know not everyone has access to a Dollar Tree. I know not everyone is here in the U.S., but if you have access, you might want to grab these 3 things. So let's go to the overhead so I can give you a closer look at what I'm talking about. All right, so 2 of these you might have seen already. One of them I know for sure I've shown on the channel. The other 2, I think I've shown variations of them, but here's the first thing that I'm talking about. These canvas wall art pieces at the Dollar Tree. They're about 8.5 by 8.5, and they have beautiful, beautiful scenes on them. And it's such a durable material. We have actually used these in our crafting on the channel. We've removed it from the wooden backing, and we've used it just as we would paper. But the beauty of this is it's pretty much water resistant. So I'm going to show you a few patterns that I bought. They're $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. These can be found in the framing section of the Dollar Tree. So I have this beautiful, beautiful lady just staring off into the distance. And I think that this is so appropriate for so many occasions. Weddings, birthday, Mother's Day. So many uses for this particular pattern. Then this one caught my eye because I love the vibrancy of it. It just reminded me of spring. So it's another 8.5 by 8.5 on a wooden frame. Of course, we remove it from the frame. And we all love butterflies, and they have a lot of different butterfly styles. And this one I love. I have an idea for how I want to use this and how I want to try and capture the entire scene, or most of the scene. Definitely all of this beautiful bathtub here. But I love how this looks, and most of them have some type of gold infused on them. Here is another butterfly with silver foiling on it. And you can see how beautiful that is. So these are so durable in our paper crafts. Once we remove them from the frame, you can treat this just like paper. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to show you how one of you used this in your crafting, and I'll be doing that in another video. So I'm actually going to do 2 very quick videos today. So after we do this one, I'm going to come back and show you something I received in the mail where she took advantage of using the canvas art from the Dollar Tree, and she used it just like you would paper. So then the second thing that I want to show you, and I know I've shown you this in different patterns. I don't know if I've ever shown this pattern, but it is the peel and stick wallpaper. They are 11 by 16, and you simply bend back and peel. Same thing over here. We just peel that away, and that way you can use all of it. And this too is great for giving you a water resistant cover to your projects. This pattern, the eucalyptus pattern, I think it is just so gorgeous. When you're looking for a larger piece, because you don't want to join 2 pieces together, and you might not have any sheet paper or roll paper, this is a great alternative, because for most of the notebooks that we build on the channel, we can actually use something like this as one sheet to give us the sizing that we want. So the next time you're in the Dollar Tree, go over and check out the peel and stick wallpaper. They have a whole bunch of different patterns. This just happens to be the pattern that I bought the other day. And then finally, I've shown you the 12 by 12 cardstock at Dollar Tree, but in my Dollar Tree, I've never seen the glittery pearl look 12 by 12 cardstock. So I am going to go ahead and open this. And y'all, if you're growing a paper crafting stash and you don't want to spend a whole lot of money right off the bat, check out these papers. I don't know if I've shown these on the channel. If I have, forgive me, but I don't think that I have. I think I've shown these colors, but I don't think I've shown them with the glittery pearl effect. And this is that type of glittery paper where it doesn't come off on your hands. And we have this beautiful cream and absolutely fabulous silver, a luxurious gold. None of it comes off on your hand. And this delicious looking charcoal color that, depending on how you look at it, it looks brown or it looks black. I'm not sure which one it is, but again, it does not come off on your hands, and it is a very durable paper. I would consider this to be more of a medium weight paper. We can very easily use these to make boxes. So I wanted to hop on really quickly because I know a lot of times when I use something on the channel, I will get questions, where did you get this? Well, I'm going to be using all of this in some upcoming videos, and I wanted to give you a heads up. Dollar Tree. If you have access to the Dollar Tree, head on in. This, I believe, was in the framing section as well. This is definitely in the framing section, and this was in the crafting section on the lower shelf. So that's it for my little heads up video. Wanted to share with you some of the nifty, inexpensive items that we can find at the Dollar Tree. 4 of these for $1.25. That really is an excellent find for quality glitter / pearl looking paper. So I hope that you've enjoyed this heads up video. I'll try to do this more often whenever I go out and pick up something that I might be planning on using on the channel. I'll try to give you a heads up so that you can go ahead and grab yours and have it ready so that you can craft along with me when I use it. As always, my friends, y'all please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.